Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna of Dolls Rescued, or from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels too, as they'll be opening surprise gifts each day, and it could be something from me. Their links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the 10th day in our Advent collaboration. So let's see what surprise gift I'll be opening today. Go for this. This is from Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls. Oh, we've got the gift of fabric. As you know, you can't go wrong with fabric. Oh, this looks lovely as well. There we go. Oh, how lovely. A fabric quarter, 100% cotton, very, very cute cupcakes. Oh, isn't that lovely? I will definitely make use of this. I love cute dessert themed patterns. So there we go. It's a lovely soft cotton as well. Well, what do you think? Well, thank you so much, Tammy, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift, and be sure and check out the other channels in the collaboration. Take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.